Good morning, class. Class 5. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good and fine and taking care of yourselves. So, without wasting too much of time, we are on the course book, Unit 10, Macbeth. It's a play, it's like a drama type of thing. It's a play, you have to enact it. It's about written by William Shakespeare, a famous playwright. Playwright means a person who writes plays, you know, and you can still see his plays performed. Means you can see these plays performed on TV, on serials. People try to act those things. These are plays. We can call it as a drama or a play, or which you say natak in Hindi. That natak, you do that. You show the story by doing the acting. One of his most famous plays is Macbeth. Macbeth is a Scottish lord. Lord means a Britain in England. Scottish lord means in Scotland the rich people are called lords. Who is told by three witches that he will become king. In one scene, it is a dark and stormy night. The witches are making a magic spell and waiting for Macbeth to visit them. Witches are magical people, who deal with black magic, who tell you the future, they can do magic and do some things for you. So they are trying to plan and tell him, they are seeing the future and telling Macbeth that he is going to become king. So they are waiting for him to come, they are making that magic for him so that he can become a king. A dark cave. In the middle, a cauldron, boiling thunder, entered the three witches. Cauldron is a huge iron type of utensil in which something was boiling. Thunder, it's thundering, outside. And enter the three witches are entering into the cave. Number one witch. Round about the cauldron go in the poisoned entrails. Throw toward that under cold stone. Days and nights has 31 sweltered venom, sleeping got boil. Thou first I the charmed pot. Here cauldron means a large deep pot. The meaning is here boiling liquids or cooking something. These huge things we have, utensils. Entrails, the organs inside the body of a person or an animal, especially their intestines. Inside body parts. Sweltered, to be very hot in a way that makes you feel uncomfortable. Venom is poison. Snake has got venom, snake bite, the venom comes out, that is poison. So round about the cauldron go in the poison entrails, something is cooking there. The inside things of some animal or some human being, the intestines are being cooked. Under the cold stone days and nights, it's cold outside. The stones also get cold in the night, isn't it? In winter. And they are around that fire. See that picture? Three witches, old witches are going around that place and they're standing in there, and the sweltered is to be very hot in a way that makes you feel uncomfortable. Sometimes when it becomes very hot, it makes you feel uncomfortable. So that fire is burning inside that cave and they are trying to do some magic. Boil thou first, I the charmed pot. Boil. Just a charming thing is going to happen. All of them together. Double toil and trouble, fine burn and cauldron bubble. Toil is work very hard. They are saying double toil, work very hard, and trouble. Lot of trouble is also going to go on. Fire burn and cauldron bubble. The fire is burning and the cauldron inside, whatever is cooking is bubbling. It's boiling. Witch. Two. There are three witches, isn't it? So the witch 2 is saying, Fillet of a fenny snake. In the cauldron boil and break. Eye of newt and toe of frog. Wool of bat and tongue of dog. Adder's fork and blind worm's sting. Lizard's leg and howlet's wing. For a charm of powerful trouble, like a hell broth boil and bubble. Fillet is a piece of meat or fish that has no bones in it. Fenny snake, a snake that lives in the fens, a swampy district in eastern England. In the watery fields, there's the field snakes. Newt is a small animal with short legs, a long tail, and cold blood. It's like lizards. Adder's fork, the tongue of a snake that looks like a fork. Have you seen the tongue of a snake? It's split, it comes out. It's like a Y. Howlet is an owl. Charm, an act of words believed to have magic power. Hell broth, magical mixture prepared for evil purposes. They're going to do something evil, magic, and try to make Macbeth the king. Baboon, a large African Asian monkey. Firm, something that is hard or does not move easily. Pricking is making a small hole or something with a sharp point. Sometimes we pork a potato with a pin or something, we try to make sharp holes with sharpening things. So that's what they're saying. Fillet of a fenny snake, a piece of meat without the bones of a snake. In the cauldron, boil and bake. It's cooking. Eye of a newt, of that animal which is cold-blooded, short legs. The eyes of that piece of meat from the snake, eye of that animal, and toe of the frog, one small toe, finger of the frog from the leg. Wool of bat. Bat skin type of thing, that flesh. And tongue of a dog's tongue. A lizard's leg. And a howlet's wing, owl's wing. For a charm. They're acting words, they're chanting words to make that magic of powerful trouble. Like a hell broth, magical mixture prepared for bad things to do. Magic power. For evil purposes, you do bad things with it. Again, they are saying all together, double bubble, toil and trouble. This is the magic they are using. Double bubble, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble. Keep on cooking, double, toil, work more harder and get these things done so that we can do some more bubble. Fire is also burning and trouble is going to also happen. Third witch is saying. The first witch said, round about the cauldron go in the poison entrails. The organs inside the body has been put, she's saying. The days and nights are 31 sweltered to be very hot in a way that 31 days are going to be hot. The third witch is saying, the second witch said, what is there inside the cauldron? Third witch is saying, cool it with a baboon's blood. Put more blood, that monkey's blood, so that it can cool down. Then charm is firm. Then the charm is firm. It's going to become sticky, hard. It won't move. And good, by the pricking of my thumbs, something wicked this way comes. Open locks whoever knocks. It's going to open everything for someone. It's going to be hard. Pour some more blood, it will cool down the boiling. And I'll prick with my thumb and see if it's cooked or not, soft or not. It's becoming hard or not. Something wicked is going to come this way now. It's going to become magic. Open locks will open. Closed locks will open whoever knocks on it. Okay, even if a door is locked, if the person who is going to have this will open locked doors. Okay. Then Macbeth enters. And he has to have that. This is the magic point of that place, they're saying. So I'll come back in the next